मुझे सबसे इनसिक्योर लगता है जिस चीज़ के बारे में, तो इनसिक्योरिटी इज़ दैट व्हेन यू आर बीइंग रियल, यू एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू सी द मॉनिटर, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू सी ड्यूरिंग डबिंग, तो और भी गंदा लगता है क्योंकि आपको लगता है आप तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो यार, आप तो इतने डल हो, यू नो, बिकॉज यू आर्ट इन दैट स्पेस, मेंटली शायद उस स्पेस में नहीं हो. सो आई फील दैट सच अ इनसिक्योर. मैंने तो चलो मॉनिटर देखना ही छोड़ दिया. जो लोग देखते होंगे, आई फाइंड इट सच अ, इट्स लाइक मतलब कुछ करना और कुछ नहीं करना एक तरीके से. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस, मतलब यू नो, टू बी subtle and to not do anything, matlab, is there a...
Yeah, there is a difference. I think it's never about being subtle. I think subtle word भी बड़ा abused word है. हम subtle होके भी acting कर सकते हैं, है ना? Just because now you're not be like you're not doing all that, I can still be subtle and be non-truthful. Because even in subtle I can give the faces, the angles, the looks. तो मैं subtle तो हो रहा हूँ पर मैं तब भी acting ही कर रहा हूँ. So even subtle acting is acting, which is not genuine, which is not honest. And sometimes you can be very loud in a scene, but you have actually found the conviction inside you, in your feeling, in your thought process, to reach that loudness. So that is truthful. So problem happens whenever we reach the external world without the inner world. Whenever your inner world is at the level of your external world, it will always work. It's because we've just been used to watching our cinema with so much histrionics, where everything happens just here and in the body and in the voice, and we're not really going within to find what it is that we're feeling, but we just know what gesture to give for anger, what gesture to give for sadness, and we are playing everything with the craft and not seeking that anger somewhere inside, not seeking or exploring or looking for that sadness somewhere within. That is where it becomes non-truthful. So if we do it right, it's actually a difficult process, but at the same time, it's a very satisfying process. And even an actor feels the difference, you know, even an actor in that moment feels the difference. And at the same time, I know a lot of actors will come and say, जैसे आप भी अभी बोल रहे थे, बहुत लोग आके बोलते हैं यार ऐसा भी हुआ है मेरे साथ कि मैंने एक्चुअली फील किया, पर मेरे को किसी ने, डायरेक्टर या किसी ने बोल दिया कि कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. तो वो भी होता है, of course, but उसमें भी what as an actor in that moment, what one needs to do is that, okay, my director externally wants this much, let's say 40% external they want, and जो मैं अभी फील कर रहा हूँ उसमें external सिर्फ 10% ही आ रहा है, इनको 40 चाहिए externally. So the solution is not कि वो 10% रख के आप 30% फेक कर दो. The solution is कि आप जो अंदर 10% में हैं अंदर, उसको आप 40 पे लेके जाओ, ताकि वो बाहर भी 40 झलके.
अच्छा.
So eventually everything is about going from within, because if we go only from out, that is when things become fake. But when we reach everything from inside with some truth, with some honest emotion,
मतलब अंदर का वो इमोशन ज़्यादा वो करो,
you can rile yourself up more to reach that 40 that they need. Then it will be genuine, and the director will also get what they want. So ये चीज़ें थोड़ी सी ना वो समझने में एक्टर्स को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे ये कल्चर भी नहीं है. I think 90% of the work you can just use craft and get away with it.
actually.
So because you can do that, but the truth is that it's those 10% actors who always shine, who are not using just craft.
और उसका satisfaction level भी एक अलग ही होता है.
Yeah.
When you do that.
Yeah, I mean, the audience loves you, and you feel better, and you feel like today you've done something which is not your everyday job. You know, you feel that.
Very true.